we win at school when safety and education work together. One of the great components of this Lightspeed classroom audio system that I really like, I got to just talk to you about this for a second. It provides a classroom management component and an incident notification component in one. Schools struggle today. Where do we spend our money? Do we spend it on school safety? Do we spend it on education? It's all coming from the same dollar. School safety is now a $5 billion a year industry and growing. Are we being good stewards of our money? What if we could create a system, create a product that does both, help with classroom management and instant notification? Is that a win for us? Absolutely. So we're protecting and educating together. That classroom audio system allows a panic button that the front office can now hear what's happening in the classroom, get a response to the classroom faster, notify first responders faster, get school safety there faster. The return on investment's easy. Can you justify spending money when you're using a product that both protects and educates? I think so. And we see very few of those opportunities. But when you find them, whether it's in the sector of communication or any other sector, jump on that because it becomes much easier to justify. And that's a big win.